Cody and my science project is on the effect of colored lights on plants. My question is, what are the effects of different colored lights on plant growth? For this experiment, I grew green beans. As you can see, they may not look like green beans, but they definitely are. And my hypothesis is that the clear light bulb will grow the best out of the red, green, blue, and clear. I based my hypothesis on the fact that clear light is best known or closest to natural light. It usually should contain all the colors of the light spectrum. As you can see here, dark red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, indigo, and violet. My materials are green bean seeds, cups, potting soil, a measuring cup, a syringe, 4 medium boxes, 4 clip-on lights, 4 trays, and 4 light bulbs. Also, 4 light bulbs, red, green, blue, and clear. 1,920 cc's of water, measuring tape, and a power strip to plug the lights into. For my procedure, I gathered the supplies, planted the plants, and labeled them A1, A2, B1, B2, and so on. And then A-red, B-blue, C-green, and D-clear. And then I put the trays into the labeled boxes. Then I water 3 times a day, every day, for 8 days. And then also I waited for them to sprout, and then I measure them every day at 3 o'clock. And as you can see, that after the 8 days, I added all the heights and averaged them. Then, on the last day, I found out the main average of the entire group. As you can see here, this chart says all the averages. Red, blue, green, and clear. This right here shows the bean in centimeters. And for my summary, the purpose of this experiment was to determine which colored light bulb grows the best green bean plant after 8 days of growth. The result of my experiment was that the plant growing under the green light grew taller than the red, clear, and blue. I have a little typo on here, so light bulbs. The average growth for the green light reached 38.1, as you can see here. Second place was red with 34.125. Blue group at third with 33.0, and clear and last with 30.0. Although the clear was the smallest, it did have the healthiest leaves and thickest stems. So, based on the data from this experiment, if you want a tall and skinny plant, you might want to use green light. But if you want a healthy plant, use a clear light bulb, because it's most like natural light. And for my conclusion, I think my hypothesis that the clear light will grow the tallest should be rejected, because the green light grew the tallest, and not the clear group. After this experiment, I wonder if the green light grew the best, because that's the color of the group's chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a thing in plants that reflects green light and is responsible for turning carbon dioxide into oxygen. My practical applications to real life is I discovered through my data that the green light makes plants grow taller. However, the clear light group makes plants appear healthier with broader leaves and thicker stems. In my opinion, you should always grow plants with something close to natural light. And for my pictures, I have the light spectrum as you've already seen. Light red group A, group B, group C, and if you can look here, doesn't that look the healthiest? charts. And my name again is Cody Collins, and thank you for listening to my science project.